of Thrones too. You can see that his feet are all rubbed raw. He had a huge foot fetish and he loves it. This tree was planted by Harvard alum Matt Damon as part of the famous movie Matt Damon Plants a Tree. Look at this fucking thing. Why are there so many chairs? Harvard University students are very active in all types of different clubs and organizations. This is Harvard's favorite club, church. Harvard's second favorite club is rowing. Harvard's third favorite club is the most dangerous game. This is also the third most haunted building at Harvard. This cute-ass little building is the main academic building for all of the classes in math, science, English literature, philosophy, psychology.